Hey guys, today we're going to do a quick video on how we get my son's shoes clean. So my son's shoes smell like a dumpster on a hot day. Uh, he doesn't wear socks and it's hot here in Florida. It's just horrible. So anyways, as a parent, I need to make it presentable so he can like go to school and stuff. And anyways, here's how I do it. I buy one of these. It's 88 cents for this bottle of peroxide at Walmart, and simply put them inside of a trash bag like this. And the reason you put it inside a trash bag is so you can knead it and you can really work all that peroxide in there. I dumped the entire bottle. It's only 88 cents, so it's worth it. After a few minutes of sitting in there, this is what you get. So you can see that it's working. The idea here is that it's foaming up, it's killing the bacteria in the shoes, and you can see it's just, there's less dirt than normal because I've done them fairly recently. But normally this foam will be like covered in just gross dirt. Oh, there it is. I guess some of it's already come out. You can see. But anyways, that's what you get when you have an 11-year-old. And anyways, what you do is you just, after this, leave it in there for like 20 minutes to really work and kill all the bacteria. That's the part that makes it smell bad. And once you do that, just rinse the shoes out like you normally would. Let them air dry. Excuse me. What I recommend is putting them in front of like an air conditioning intake vent, or if you have just a fan at your house, just turn the fan on, like a box fan or a desk fan or something, and just have it blow the air directly at them. If you don't want to put them in the clothes dryer. Problem with the clothes dryer is sometimes that type of hot heat will cause the shoes to shrink, at least my big people shoes. So I prefer to just air dry them. So anyways, after these get rinsed out, your shoes will be like brand new. When done correctly, there will be no smell left. It'll literally will be the absence of smell, and you'll be happy that you did if your shoes smell like my son's shoes. I hope not for you. Anyways, if you like my videos, like and subscribe. You guys have a great day.